Okay, to register for CJ affiliate, these are the forms to fill. Just click on the link in the video description, fill the form, select the language is English, then country Nigeria, or choose any of your country, email and the password. Click on this I'm not a robot and click on verify. Okay, now they say an email has been sent to your email, so go to your email, see the email here, click on confirm, create my CJ publisher account, open it in browser, hold it down and open it in browser. Network is a bit slow. Okay, after it load, this is the page you will be taken to. Accept the terms below and get started as a publisher today. So you have to accept the terms. Each certificate, click on, check this that you are above 18 years of age, certificate of authority, then check that as well. Publisher service agreement, you make sure you go through the publisher service agreement, so they say you should check it carefully before you accept. Okay, so I will go through that and then come back to the video in a short while. So make sure you click on that place that is highlighted and you open them in another tab to read them before you accept. So once you've read the three of them, you click on accept agreement, then click on continue to account. Now enter your email here and click on continue, then your password, then click on continue. Now we are in. Welcome to CJ Affiliate Network. This is a get started. Okay, now we are done with one. All this you will have to follow them and fill everything before you activate your account. They are very necessary. Okay, we are going to be going through all of them and complete everything to activate our account. So this one, we've just completed 1 out of 7 things to complete. So this is it. Let's go through them and we set up our account for promotion. Now we are done with the first part, which is to verify or validate the email. So the second thing we are going to be filling now is the user information, which is your information. So click on this add user information. Make sure you are following everything step by step to set up this account. You have access to so many products that you can promote, make videos about, or doing any of your own promotion and make tangible amounts from this affiliate network. This is different from all these Nigerian-based affiliate networks whereby they'll sell Ponzi schemes to you. Seriously, if you want to start a successful business, you need to, especially a successful affiliate marketing business, you need to get acquainted with all these international companies whereby you'll be able to get access to good products to promote, and you make a better commission compared to all these Nigerian-based stuffs. Okay, as you can see, so now the name has been selected. Okay, you can click on this change super user, then enter the name. We'll cancel. Click on this pencil icon. As you can see, okay, the email has been added automatically. Enter your first name, which is your name, then your last name. Make sure the things you are entering are they are the same thing on your national ID card. It's very important. Make sure they are the same thing on your national ID card, so that in terms of verification, everything will tally. Okay, then email is there, phone number, you enter your phone number, here, then title, enter the title. Okay, if you are a Mrs., you can put Mrs., you can put, so that is what title means anyway. I'm Mr. So partner contact. Okay, user type, super user. Okay, now everything is okay here now. Then click on save. And if you want to add any other user, you can click on that add user. So we're not going to add any other user. The one we have is okay. So now we have our information set. Okay, everything is set now. Go back so that we can be able to complete the remaining ones. You can click on home. Okay guys, after clicking on home, it will bring you back to this page. Now we are done with 2 out of 7. Complete your network profile, which is the next one. You click on complete network profile. Make sure you follow everything step by step and set up this account. It's very necessary to do all these things. Okay, as you can see now, they say this is how advertisers see you. Take a good look. This is accurate, up to date, complete. Would it grab your attention? Which is a question. when you look at these things now, how would like your profile, will it grab your own attention? If you are an advertiser, will you grab your own attention? So make sure you go through them. Let me say, remind me later. Then now they say you should describe your business. Okay, so in here now, click on edit and describe what your business is all about. Okay, describe what your business is all about. What do you help? Like, what's your own business? How would they trust you to make sure you promote their products? Okay, describe what your business is all about, how you promote, how you can get customers to business. Okay, describe that in here. So let me put my own to place and we'll continue. Okay guys, after filling in, make sure it's at least 250 words. It's very important. If it's not up to 250 words, then it will not be accepted. So you can explain more about your business, how you go about your business, like why should they trust you and give you access to their product to promote. So explain more about your business. And if you want to get a sample of my own explanation, I will leave that you can leave that in the comment section, then I'll give you access to it. Okay, when you are done with that, click on this save. When you are done with the first one, the second one is manage promotional property, and the third thing is profile preview. Okay, let's click on this manage promotional property. Let it load. I'm doing this on phone because most people have these limitations that you can't do most things on your phone. So that's why I'm holding this on phone, so that you can know that there is no limitation to you making money. The only limitation comes within you, is from your mind. Okay, once loaded, this is the page that will open. Promotional properties. This is where you will describe the promotional properties, where you will be promoting advertising brands. It is also how advertisers will see and understand how you will be promoting them. Register all of the property where you plan to place links. So click on this create property. If you have a website, click on this website. Social media, if you have a social media, email if you have email list, mobile app if you have a mobile app, browser extension if you have any of them, then service and tools if you have any of that, page display ads. I'm going to select that. Description. Once you select anyone, you have to describe of the service you want to use that for. Page search engine marketing. Okay, if you check everything and you do not see the one you like the one that go along with your listing, then you click on this. I do not see my property type listed here. Okay, you can choose any of this one. Define your property. What type of property is this? If you have a website, just select website. Okay, and put the URL of the website and what the website is all about. I don't have a website for now, so I'm not going to choose that. Page search engine marketing. I'm going to put in description. These are things that are required. Organization's name, address, city or town, state, provide or country, then postcode, phone number, FX and function currency. Okay, so now let's click on edit. So now you have to enter your password. So select the W8 bin. Enter the name of the individual that is the beneficiary, which is your name, the date of birth, so select your date of birth. Okay, I'm done with my own. Just look at what I did there. Just select any place. Then country of citizenship. Select your country again. Then permanent residence. I'm a resident of my country, so select everything. Your country. Then payment resident state. Just select the NA. Payment resident city or town. Okay, enter your details like this, your zip code. If you don't know your zip code, Google it. Google your area and put zip code at the front. Mailing address country, select your country. Then mailing address state, the N/A, mailing address city or town, okay. This is how you fill your form, the W8B form. So filling your name, date of birth, your country of citizenship, payment, resident selection, selection, payment resident selection. You select your country, which is payment resident country, which is your country. Then the payment resident state, that N/A is selected. Then payment resident city or town, you select your city. Then payment resident address. Do not use a PO box or in case of address. So use your address. Very important. Then your postcode, enter it there. Then mailing address selection. Make sure you fill these informations. You can use the same information, and then check this. Automatically it will be unchecked like this. So click on it for it to be checked. And what it means is a foreign tax identification number. If you have a foreign tax identification number, if you used to pay for foreign tax, then you can leave that unchecked. But if you don't, if you are living in some other countries where you don't pay tax to US, just check this and check the second one, which is the I am not claiming tax treaty benefits. Skip part 2. So select that and skip it. Okay, then I think all these parts are not that necessary. And the third thing is this part 3, certification. So read this, okay, and then make sure you check this. I certify that I have the sign for the person identified on line 1 of this form. Okay, so you can put in your signature here. Then read everything here and click on submit. That is all you need to do to fill the tax form. Okay, me, I want to take out time to read it before I submit, so do just that. Make sure you read it and before you submit.